Welcome to a brief introduction to the Equipment FX Technician Recruiting, Consulting, and Strategic Services. We help with design of employment landing pages, local search optimization strategy, effective offline strategy, time management and process management, technician recruiting and pipeline management, and applicant tracking systems. The three main challenges are, number one, make qualified technicians aware of our great industry. Challenge number two, develop efficient ways to identify and qualify the right candidates. And number three, reduce the time and expense pursuing challenge number one and number two. There's some main concepts to consider. Number one, workforce trends, which the workforce is shrinking in our industry. The techniques currently being used to recruit, the technology types being used to recruit, and equipment dealer limits on time. We had over 10,700 annualized visitors to our employment page. Why this worked and will work? Because there are huge labor pools that should know about our great industry. What did it look like then? A website optimized for industry search terms and local geography. Now, a national website and social media. Of course, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. What the process should look like on the dealer's end. We have to empower dealers without a lot of cost, complexity, or risk. We have to directly connect candidates to companies based on their preference, whether it's skill set or geography. We have to let technology be the filter, not an expensive middle person or company. Drive candidates to a landing page. Display this prominently on your website. Have them visit an employment page. Have an embedded video loaded with keywords. Have some additional company information, a PowerPoint, a SlideShare presentation, why you're a good company. Technicians now create an account, and the matching process begins. Employers create an account, and the matching process begins. Employers add the opportunity. The process technology summary is simply this. The technology works on a percent match basis, not unlike Match.com or Facebook. It works based on skills a technician has and the skills a company needs, and it dramatically lowers the time spent looking through the wrong applications and interviewing the wrong people. This is an example of match positions on the part of the employer. This is an example of match positions on the part of the candidate. We have a percent match ranking scale based on strong, moderate, or weak, based on what the employer looks for and what the employee is looking for. Confidential messages are then sent to the employer. A confidential profile is then reviewable by the employer. This is built on a funnel methodology where the important questions are on top, mid-level questions in the middle, and filler questions on the bottom. Important questions might be location, skill position, or desired. Years, experience, are they willing to take a drug test? What equipment categories in detail? You control sharing and confidentiality based on your use of the system. You can design a local awareness campaign within your dealership. You can hold job fairs. Ultimately, your candidate pipeline fills up and you have a pipeline of ready, willing, and qualified candidates that want to work for your dealership. If you have any questions based on what you see, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks so much for your time.